All right, here we go. Welcome back. Example 2 now. And this one says, write each expression using exponents. And if you remember, we used exponents before. So instead of writing d 4 times, we can write it with an exponent. So this is a power, remember? So instead of writing d times d times d times d, we write d to the 4th power, which is the same thing. It's just a little easier way to write it. Now, what about this one? We have 1.5 times h times h times h. So we have 3 h's. So this one, we can put an exponent of 1.5 times h to the 3rd power. Pretty easy on that one. Hopefully, just count them out and then give that little exponent so that you don't have to write it that many times. What about these ones? How many x's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x to the 5th, 7 times d, 1, 2, 3 d's.
Write each
So it's
expression using
7d
exponents.
to the
Part A,
3rd.
x times x
So let's
times
take a
x
look
times
and
x
see.
times x. Because x is used as a factor 5 times, its exponent is 5. So x times x times x times x times x is equal to x to the 5th power. Part B, 7 times d times d times d. Because d is used as a factor 3 times, its exponent is 3. So 7 times d times d times d is equal to 7 times d to the 3rd power, or 7d cubed.
There it is. Not too bad on that one. Pretty quick. So let's take a look on your own. You can also look on my notes. So we have, write this expression using exponents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So j to the, and then k is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9k to the 5th. So j to the 6th, 9k to the 5th, and you're all done with that. And that is it for example 2. You guys are doing